Alrighty, so here's how you're gonna be able to foam roll your glutes. You're gonna take your foam roller, place it on the ground just like so. We can kind of do it a couple different ways. Number one would be have both of your glutes on the foam roller and basically start at the base of your tailbone, which is right below your waistband, and roll all the way down to where it's close to meets your hamstring. So it's gonna go up and down just like so. Spend about 2 minutes doing that. If that's too easy, then we're gonna focus on one leg. So if I cross one leg over the other, the leg that's crossed over the leg on top, I'm gonna focus on going after that glute. So basically I'm focusing on my left leg right now, ready? So I'm gonna spend about 1 to 2 minutes working out all of those kinks in my hip. If this is still too easy, find like a tender spot and just move the hip and the leg side to side just like so, and basically you'll notice a lot more pressure on that tender spot of your hip, and that will definitely loosen that sucker up and increase a lot more blood flow to those tissues. Once you spend about 2 minutes on that side, switch legs, same thing, and find a tender spot and do the same thing. We're just moving side to side, really loosening that sucker up and taking pressure off of there for you. Alrighty? Do these once or twice a day if basically your glutes are really tight, and you'll be good to go. Again, this is how you foam roll your glutes.